How to upload images in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application on your device. As you launch the Canva application, here you can select any of the templates in order to upload the images, or you can just have a design set. So I'm gonna select a already prepared design over here. So let me just select it very randomly. And as I do that, if I want to upload images in this particular project, what I'm going to do over here is simply I'm going to tap on the project, and here at the bottom you can see the option of gallery. So just tap on gallery and select any random picture over here. I'm going to select a random picture and then tap on add to page. As I tap on add to page, it will start to load. So I'm just going to make it a point over here where I would want to adjust the picture. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.